Hey friends, welcome back to Career Study Table. Wish you all a very happy new year. Have a wonderful year ahead. In the last video, we were dealing with the topic number series from mental ability. In this video, let's continue solving problems from the same. Come on, let's start. In the previous video of number series, we were solving questions from the model of finding missing numbers in the number series. So in this video, let's continue solving questions from the same model with different logics. To have a revision of the logics we have learned in the previous video, let's solve a question with a similar logic. The only difference in this question is that the missing number is in between two numbers of the number series. In the previous questions we have solved, the number to be found was at the end, or we will have to find the next number. Here the blank is in between two numbers. So observing the number series, it is a simple number series and the differences seems to be comparable. So first let's find the difference between the numbers. The difference between 80 and 62 is 18 and the difference between 62 and 46 is 16. So the differences seems to be decreasing by the number 2. So let's find out whether this is the logic. So 18, 16, the next number should be 14. So 46 minus 14 will give you 32. So 32 may be the answer. To verify it, let's check it out with the next number. So 18, 16, 14, the next number should be 12. So 32 minus 12 is 20 and the next number in the number series is also 20. So this is the number logic. So 18, 16, 14, 12, the differences is decreasing by the number 2. This is the logic. So the answer for this question is 32 because 46 minus 14 is 32. So the answer is option D, 32. Here comes another question. Before moving on, try to find the answer for this question yourselves from the logics we have seen in the previous video. Now continue watching. So here we see the differences are not comparable because here the difference is 1, then here 8 and here it's nearly 31. So there don't seem to be any comparable logic with the difference. So that will mean we will have to multiply the number with the number, then add or subtract with the number as we have seen in the previous video. So that will mean 6 multiplied by 1 plus 1 will give you 7, but 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 plus 1, 15. So I think I've got the logic, so let's try out. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6 plus 1 will give you 7. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 plus 1 will give you 15. 15 multiplied by 3, because here 1, 2, then the next number should be 3. 15 multiplied by 3 is 45 plus 1 will give you 46. 46 multiplied by 4 is 184 plus 1 will give you 185. So that is the logic. So the next number should be 185 multiplied with 5, because 1, 2, 3, 4, the next number should be 5. So 185 multiplied by 5 is 925 plus 1 will give you 926. So the answer is option D, 926. Did you all get it correct? Hope you solved it. Let's move on. Moving on to another question. Observing this number series, we see that the numbers are in ascending order and each number is nearly twice of its previous number. So with this idea, let's try to solve the problem. We know 6 into 2 gives us 12. 12 into 2 gives us 24, but here we have got 23, so that will mean 12 into 2 minus 1 is equals to 23. So 23 into 2 is 46, but here the next number is 44, so that will mean 23 into 2 minus 2 gives us 44. So having a look at this, we see that this forms a series that 6 2s are 12 minus 0 gives us 12, 12 2s are 24 minus 1 gives us 23. 23 into 2 is 46 minus 2 gives us 44. Applying the same logic to the next number, 44 2s are 88. Here it should be minus 3 because 0, 1, 2, the next number should be 3. So 88 minus 3 is 85, and of course the next number in the series is also 85. So this is the logic. Having found the logic, now to find this number, we will have to multiply 85 with 2. So 85 into 2 gives us 170. Next number should be 4 because 0, 1, 2, 3. The next number is 4. So 170 minus 4 gives us 166. So the answer is option A, 166. From this example, we can see that the number to be added or subtracted can also be 0. So in this case, the number starts with 0 and proceeds with 1, 2, 3 and 4. Getting into another question with a new logic. So observing this number series, it is not in ascending or descending order. There is a decrease and an increase, a decrease and an increase. But the decrease and increase is also not comparable. So you may all think whether this is called a mixed number series, but actually not. A mixed number series is called so when two or more number series are interlocked into a single number series. We call that number series as mixed number series. But in this case, this problem is a simple number series. But how is it possible? You may all think. You remember the previous logic that when the differences is not comparable, we have to multiply the first number with a number, then add or subtract another number to get the next number of the number series. In this question, they have split that single step into two different steps. You may be confused. Let's get a better idea. So here the difference between 9 and 7 is 2. So 9 minus 2 is equals to 7 is the step we have got here. Here again, 7 multiplied by 2 will give you 14, so that must be the step. So in the previous logic, we did these two steps as a single step. In this problem, we do it as two different steps because the two numbers are all given in the number series. So the first logic is 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. The next number is 7 multiplied by 2 is equals to 14. So 14 and 11, the difference is 3. So 14 minus 3 is equals to 11. Then it has to be multiplied by 3. So 11 into 3 is 33 and that is the next number. So having found the logic, the difference between 33 and 28 is 5. So 33 minus 5 is equals to 28. To find the missing number, we will have to multiply the same number, that is 5. So 28 into 5 is 140. So this may be the answer. We will have to verify it by doing the same for the next pair too. So the next pair, 140 minus 7 is equals to 133 and that is the next number. Next, 133 into 7 is equals to 931 and that perfectly fits the series. So this is the number series logic. So here the answer should be 140. So the number that is subtracted and multiplied, they are all prime numbers. First prime number is 2, then 3, then the next one is 5, the next one is 7. So prime numbers are first subtracted and then multiplied to get the number series. So the answer is option C, 140. Let's solve another question. Observing this number series, we see that the differences are not comparable because here the difference is just 1, but here the difference is more than 150. So we will have to use a rule of multiplying a number with this number, then add or subtract another number to get the next number. So with this pair, we can do 5 multiplied with 1 is 5 plus 1 will give you 6. That is what represented here. The next one can be like 6 multiplied with 2 is 12. 12 plus 3 will give you 15. So let's try with the next one too. 15 multiplied with 3 gives us 45 plus 5 will only give you 50. So comparing this, we see the number to be multiplied goes on like 1, 2, 3 etc. and the numbers to be added are odd numbers 1, 3, 5. So using that rule and finding the next number, 50 multiplied with 4 because the next number after 1, 2, 3 should be 4. So 50 multiplied with 4 is 200. Here 1, 3, 5, the next odd number is 7. So 200 plus 7 is equals to 207 and the next number in the series is also 207. So this is the logic. So applying this logic to find the next number, 207 multiplied with 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, the next number is 5. 207 multiplied with 5 gives us 1035 and we will have to add 9 because 1, 3, 5, 7, the next odd number is 9. So 1035 plus 9 gives us 1044. So the answer should be option D, 1044. Hope you were able to solve all these questions. We'll see you with another video. Thank you. Take care.